how are you absorbing the cost differential between what you were getting imported from China and what you're now buying here local?
So I think a lot of manufacturers have been surprised to realize that it doesn't cost that much more to purchase locally and purchase in the United States. And those costs are frequently offset or counterbalanced by the ease of ordering, the speed of ordering, and the ability to communicate, which is very important. We had a small part that came in where the tolerances, and this was made in Connecticut, in fact, the tolerances were just a fraction of an inch or a fraction of a millimeter off, and so it didn't do what it was supposed to do as it was put into this case. And we were able to pick up the phone, call the manufacturer, have them reset their tools, their precision tools, and we got the replacement part the next day. I mean, you couldn't do that if that had been made in China. And those things happen. It wasn't their fault, or if it was minor. But the point is, you learn that you're always going to have problems. You have to plan on them, and you have to provide a contingency plan for how to deal with them.